Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to create QR code for any website. So it's pretty easy, you just have to follow the steps you are going to see. So let's head over to our web browser, and once you're there, just head over to any web page you want. Suppose I'm going to Wikipedia. So I'm currently on the Wikipedia's page. So here you have to just right click on your mouse, and once you do it, this layout will arrive right here, and in here just tap on create QR code for this page. So once you do it, a QR code will arrive in front of you for this starting website, and here you'll find the URL of this website, and you have to just either you can copy or you can download. So yeah, this is how you can create a QR code for any website. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.